Deep in the heart of Tanzania, where the grid struggles to reach, a revolution is underway. Photon's energy is bringing the power of the sun to the bush. Transforming how remote lodges operate and showcasing the potential of solar energy for all of Tanzania.
As we are in a remote area and we are off-grid, we decided to invest in a good solar system to provide enough energy for our guests, for the kitchen and all the stuff things we have to do. And now today, after only 6 days, the team has managed to make a very good system, which is, well, looking marvelous. We have 20 panels here and we have 4 batteries. So for us it means that we can rely on this system for the future. And we are very grateful for the effort the team has done. And hopefully we don't have to call them that much for all other things, unless we want to expand.
Solar power has brought a quiet revolution to this lodge. Guests now enjoy comfortable stays with reliable electricity, while the lodge owner enjoys significant cost savings. But the impact of solar energy extends far beyond the tourism sector. Solar power is not only powering businesses and improving lives, it's also helping to protect our environment. By embracing solar energy, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and create a more sustainable future for Tanzania. Join us in embracing the power of the sun. Let's choose clean, renewable energy for a brighter future.